Hi, welcome to my channel Cloud with Girish. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a serverless Gen AI RAG solution to implement a single document knowledge base using Amazon Bedrock Console. You need to have an account credential for AWS Console to access Bedrock Knowledge Base. Chat with your document is the latest generative AI feature added by Amazon to its already feature-rich areas of Gen AI, Knowledge Base, and RAG. RAG, which stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation, is becoming increasingly popular in the world of generative AI. It allows organizations to overcome the limitations of LLMs and utilize contextual data for their generative AI solution. Amazon Bedrock is a fully managed service that offers a choice of many foundation models, such as Anthropic Cloud, AI21 Jurassic 2, Stability AI, Amazon Titan, and others. I will use the recently released Anthropic Sonnet Foundation model and invoke it via the Amazon Console Bedrock Knowledge Base. As of May 2024, this is the only model supported by AWS for the single document knowledge base or chat with your document function. There are many use cases where generative AI chat with your document function can help increase productivity. Few examples will be technical support, extracting info from user manual for quick resolution of questions from the customers, or HR answering questions based on policy document, or developer using technical documentation to get info about a specific function, or a call center team addressing inquiries from customer quickly by chatting with product documentation. Let's look at our use cases. My Bank GB is a fictitious bank offers various credit cards to consumers. The document My Bank GB credit card offering.pdf contain detailed information about all the features and detail of the credit cards offered by the bank. My Bank GB is interested in implementing a generative AI solution using the chat with your document function of Amazon Bedrock Knowledge Base. This solution will enable the call center team to quickly access information about the card features and efficiently address customer inquiries. This is a proof of concept, hence API-based solution not required. Rather, access will be provided to selected call center team members via AWS Console for Bedrock knowledge-based chat with your document function. Let's look at architecture design. We have a user who sign into AWS Console by passing the appropriate credential. From AWS Console, user will access the Bedrock service, and from that Bedrock service, user will access the knowledge base chat with your document feature. Based on the prompt, user will get the responses back from the foundation model, which in this case is Anthropic Cloud Sonnet. Prereqs for this is just familiarity with AWS Console, basic familiarity with S3, as that's where the document will be loaded, basic familiarity with generative AI foundation model and RAG concepts. Let's get started. We're going to review the Bedrock service, we'll review the foundation model, we'll review RAG, we'll review the AWS Bedrock chat with your document function, we're going to review request model access, and then we'll review the AWS Console Bedrock and chat with your document using AWS Console and review the responses. So Amazon Bedrock is a fully managed service that offers choice of many foundation models like Anthropic Cloud, AI21 Jurassic 2, Stability AI, Amazon Titan, and others. Since Bedrock is another serverless offering from Amazon, it allows integrating with popular foundation model and also allow to privately customize foundation model with your own data using the AWS tools without having to manage any infrastructure. Here is a look of all the model supported by Amazon Bedrock. In our case, I will be using Anthropic Sonnet for this workshop, as that's the only model supported for the knowledge base chat with your document functions as of May 2024. Before we use the model, need to request the access to the model. So I'm going to request it. For Amazon model, typically it takes few minutes to get the access. For Anthropic Sonnet, it may take few hours to get access to the model. Let's review RAG. In the realm of generative AI, Retrieval Augmented Generation address the limitations of large foundation model, which typically provide generic responses based on user prompts. One significant drawback of these models is their tendency to generate outdated or inaccurate information, a phenomenon known as hallucination. Additionally, these models usually lack citation source, leading to responses without verification, and many prompts yield answers without acknowledging when a good answer cannot be found. RAG allow enterprises to enhance information retrieval by implementing a knowledge base that houses enterprise documents or integrate with vector databases. This approach provides more contextual and accurate content retrieval, improving the reliability and relevance of the generated response. Let's review the AWS Bedrock chat with your document function. Once you have logged into the AWS console, search for Bedrock Service, and from Bedrock Service, click on Knowledge Base. You will see that there is a new tab there referred as Chat with your document as the new function. You can access it via AWS console, or you can use SDK to invoke it via Bedrock, Lambda, and API. In this particular use case, I'm gonna use it via AWS console. In a subsequent workshop, I will also demonstrate how to access this function via Bedrock, Lambda, and API. So in this function, chat with your document, need to first select the model. So this is the UI that will be presented. Need to select the model, need to select the data. Data in this case is a file, a document. Document can be uploaded from your computer, or you can provide an ARN for the file posted in the S3 bucket. So the file size, you can have up to 10 MB, and supported format include PDF, MD, TXT, doc, docs, HTML, CSV, and XLS to start chatting with it. I'm going to select Cloud 3 Sonnet. This is the only supported model for as of May 2024 for this function. For the data, it can be, like I said, it can be uploaded from computer, or I can point to a S3 bucket document. I'm going to use S3, so I'm putting the URI for the document, which is posted in my S3 bucket. And that's it. That's how simple it is. Once document is in the S3 bucket, and I have completed the prior steps, I'm ready to chat with the document. So here I'm going to ask the question that how many different cards are offered by my bank GB, and this function will return me the response. And as you can see, it's providing me response that my bank GB offers 5 different credit cards, which is the accurate information because those 5 cards are what listed in the fictitious bank, my bank GB document that has been uploaded on the S3. I can also ask more specific questions like which card is best for restaurant points, and then I will get response based on the data in that document. So it's pretty accurate. It's based on, it's a contextual based on the document that has been uploaded to the S3 bucket. So it's giving me answer that my bank GB dining delight card is the best option, and then it's also offering the additional insight that why it is, right, based on the point and other features that this card provides. Few other example, which card has zero annual fee? So again, if you see the answer, it's very contextual. It's saying, hey, none of the card actually has zero, but however, these cards fee waive for the first year, and so on and so on. Now, if I ask a question which is actually not part of this knowledge base, this document, then I will expect that I'm not getting an answer from the knowledge base. So in this case, I just asked a question, what are the two cards offered by Best Buy? And as you can see, the knowledge base is providing me the answer that, hey, the search result do not contain any information about credit card offered by Best Buy. The result describe various credit card offered from a bank called My Bank GB, but do not mention Best Buy. So this is actually better to get a straight answer, that it cannot provide the information rather than providing inaccurate information. So this is another strength that knowledge base, the RAG, brings in the realm of generative AI. So with this workshop, a serverless GenAI solution has been successfully implemented to build a serverless generative AI RAG solution for creating a single document knowledge base using the Amazon Bedrock console. Selected call center team members who have access to the AWS console and the Anthropic Sonnet model can utilize the chat with your document function and then provide feedback on whether an automated solution using API should be developed. As GenAI solutions keep improving, they will change how we work and bring real benefit to many industries. This workshop shows how powerful AI can be in solving real-world problems and creating new opportunities for innovation. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm working on some other interesting content on various AWS topics. These will be posted soon. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.